Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today's video, or today's third or fourth video, I don't remember. We have this Tatung 42-inch ceiling fan. I'm unsure of the model number. It's I think it says on the top, but I'm not sure which one is the actual model number. It's a 42-inch fan, 4-bladed stencil. It's pretty cool. This thing is from the 1980s, I believe. It is in the spot that the low profile was in, and I moved over there, so now I have 5 total fans on display. It also came with these nice fobs. I got this fan from a friend, the same friend who got me that one, or gave to me that one. So these two came out of the same house. It's pretty cool. It's a bunch of bullshit over there, but without further ado, let's get this started up on low. I don't think I really need to explain that much about this one because I mostly explained it already in the Ridgefields video, so. Also, this fan wall was on high, so don't ask about that, please. As you can see, there's a slight wobble. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, because I actually kind of negated the wobble by swapping a bit of the blades around yesterday. So, yeah. Let's move up the light, by the way. This thing's an antique brass, has the, I think those are GE vents. I'm not entirely sure, and I have no idea, and I really don't care, so. Though they look cool nonetheless. I really like this style of fan from like the 80s. Anyways, I'll shut up and do spin down now, so. So yeah, I'll probably do it for this video. Thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.